In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update the footer module in your HubSpot emails, which can be essential for keeping your communications fresh and relevant. Let's dive in and make sure you have the tools and knowledge you need to accomplish this with ease. First, you'll want to navigate over to the HubSpot User Guide. This is the starting point for managing your email modules. Once you're in the User Guide, locate the Email section. Why start here? Well, every change or update in email marketing starts by accessing the central hub where your email resources are managed. This ensures that any alterations you make apply across your email modules seamlessly. Next, you're going to click on Email. This step might seem straightforward, but it's crucial because you're heading into the area where all your email templates and functions live. Having access to this section not only allows for editing, but also keeps you organized and ensures you're making the right changes in the correct location. Once you've clicked into the email menu, locate and click on Test. This option is typically used to examine how your emails function and appear before going live. It's a smart move to work in a test environment initially, allowing you to make changes confidently with less risk. After you're in the test area, your next stop will be the Setup option. Clicking Setup will open up the structural area of your email where customization happens. This is like the backbone of your email where you prepare everything before it goes into more specific editing or configuration. With the setup now open, you'll find there's an Edit button to click. Think of this section as your editing suite where you can tweak, adjust, and optimize various aspects of your email. This is a pivotal step as this is where the transformative process of your email begins to take shape. Finally, you'll arrive at the Edit Footer option. Clicking on this allows you to dig into customizing the footer section of your email. The footer is a significant part of your email. It's where you include important information like company details, unsubscribe links, or contact options, elements that can enhance professionalism and compliance with regulatory standards. Now, as a helpful tip, keep in mind that each change can greatly impact the readability and compliance of your emails, so feel free to preview each modification as you make them. This proactive measure assists in catching any errors or inconsistencies before they can cause issues in live emails. By following these steps, you've effectively learned how to update the email footer within HubSpot. Remember, keeping consistent with brand guidelines and legal compliance is a hallmark of effective email marketing. With these steps now under your belt, you're all set to ensure your communications are both professional and impactful. Thank you for joining us today, and happy emailing!